Welcome back from an ad break. So now we're just going to be wrapping up. Remember, our topic was problem solving and creative thinking. So this is a journey that we went through. We started this journey together. We started with the problem solving techniques, and we did the applications of these techniques. We did the impacts of these techniques, which was brainstorming and nominal group technique. We defined creative thinking. We've elaborated basically on the meaning of creative thinking. We discussed the benefits of creative thinking, and then we also discussed on how or ways in which we can promote or creating an environment that promotes creative thinking, basically. All right. We also came across these words here. Creative, we spoke about it being original, inventive, or resourceful. To generate creativity, ideas featuring new and original methods. We also came across creative thinking. Like I said, we defined it, the ability to think of original, varied ideas or new approaches. These are the other words that we came across: problem and problem-solving techniques. We said problem-solving techniques, it's the various problem-solving techniques which businesses can use to solve the business-related problems. So these are the words that we came across in this particular topic, problem-solving and creative thinking. Right, so now this is just common errors that you need to be mindful of. Right, problem-solving technique. It's the method that we use to solve complex business-related problems. I repeat, problem-solving techniques, it's the method used to solve complex business-related problems. It says here, look for the keywords in every statement. Keywords in every statement in order for you to identify the correct problem-solving technique. So all these techniques, they've got keywords. So if you were to identify, look for the keywords. Right. Do not confuse the application. Do not confuse the application of problem solving with the impact. Application, put to practice. Practice, whereas impact, it refers to what? Impact refers to the negatives and positives. Or you can say the advantages and what? And the disadvantages. Right. So do not confuse application, how to put into practice. Each technique has got applications and the impacts. Right, and then we move on. You must know the meaning of creative thinking so that you can understand its advantages or the advantages of creative thinking. Very, very, very important. So define creative thinking and then you can be able to understand the advantages. When studying ways in which business should create an environment that promotes creative thinking, what must you do? In the workplace, the focus should be on how the business should do this. I repeat, when studying ways in which businesses should create an environment that promotes creative thinking, the focus should be on the word, how should the business do this? Remember, this is just a tip in a way to say, how can the business, what can the business do? The business should encourage, the business should emphasize, the business should motivate. Remember that. So that is the how part that you must focus on. Very, very important. So we've come to the last part, and I'm not going to leave you just like that. I'm going to leave you with a challenging question. Right. In this challenging question, it says, advise the business on the impact. Remember what impact means? Yes. Right. Advise businesses on the impact of the nominal group technique in solving the complex business problems. The impact, not the application, but the impact of the nominal group technique in solving the complex business problems. All right, that's it from me. We've come to the end of our lesson. I hope you've learned so much because I have learned a lot as well, and I enjoyed being with you throughout this lesson. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.